Cardano has had an explosive 2021 so far, and it's amazing that ADA started the year at only 18 cents and since then has increased to around $3, which is an explosive 1,500% increase. Now, I make all kinds of videos, but from time to time, I do enjoy a good old price prediction. Now, obviously, no one really knows where the price will ultimately land, but from time to time, it's good to have some fun, look at past performance, the fundamentals, and try to speculate where the price is going to land. So in this video, we'll be looking at, first up, the methodology for this price prediction, the price trap, and why the actual price of the asset is irrelevant. We'll then do the ADA price prediction for 2021, and then we'll finish with a bit of a bonus. Ever wondered how rich the founder of Cardano actually is? And at the end, I'll reveal just how much money Charles Hoskinson has. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then don't be shy, drop a like, always appreciated. Okay, so there's actually many different ways to predict a price. Now, this could be what's in its current pipeline, could be its current trajectory, it could be based on its network effect. I will be basing this price prediction off the stock to flow model, as it's been the best model for predicting crypto prices since inception. Okay, ready for some speculation? Let's do this. And so this is the stock to flow model, made famous by Plan B. And this is in fact the Bitcoin price since inception, but it's also a great proxy for the crypto market. As when Bitcoin rallies, the crypto market rallies. When Bitcoin crashes, the crypto market crashes. And this has been one of the best predictors of price since inception. And one of the key things to look at is this blue line going through the middle, as this is the average price. So what happens is in these huge run-ups, it goes way above the average and it has to revert to the mean, so it'll crash below. And over the years, it's pretty much gone above the average, back below, above the average, back below. And so what is stock to flow predicting right now? Well, it's predicting that the Bitcoin price by the end of the year, so by Christmas time, that Bitcoin is going to be close to $100,000. And so this means that we are going to see some big moves and that Bitcoin price has to at least double from here. So this is a 2x. Now, because ADA is an altcoin, they typically outperform to the upside, but they also outperform back down to the downside. So I think it's fair to give another multiple up from Bitcoin. So let's say a 3x. So this would give an ADA price by the end of the year of between $6 and $9. So stock to flow predicts that Bitcoin will be hitting $100,000 by the end of the year, which that in itself is pretty awesome. And it also means we're going to see some big moves coming. And being an altcoin, it does mean ADA will likely continue to outperform Bitcoin to the upside. So if Bitcoin's going to double, it does mean ADA will at least keep pace or outperform. So this would give a price target of between $6 and $9. Now, you may have seen some other Cardano price prediction videos that have said that ADA's going to 50x, 100x, even 150x. So let me show you why these are just ridiculous valuations, as we need to understand the actual price of the asset, for the most part, is irrelevant. When it comes to an asset's valuation, it's all about one metric. Check it out. So we're just hopping over to CoinMarketCap. And when it comes to price, this is what the vast majority of people are looking at. And this is the actual price column. So they may look at Bitcoin and see it's almost $50,000. Ethereum's looking quite expensive, now over $3,000. And they'll look at ADA and say, look, it's not even $3. So it's going to be so much easier for ADA to double than it is for Ethereum. In comparison, it looks really cheap. And this is what happened with things like Dogecoin. So they'll look at Dogecoin and see it's only 30 cents, and they'll think, wow, to get this to 60 cents is going to be so much easier. But what you need to understand is that the actual price of an asset is largely irrelevant. What you actually need to be looking at is this column, the market cap. This is going to tell you exactly what needs to be done for the price of an asset to double. So for ADA to actually double, it's going to take about $90 billion. Because as the market cap of an asset increases, it takes monumentally more money to move the price of the asset. So even though ADA has a relatively small price, it's going to take about $90 billion for that price to double. And for comparison, let's take a look at something a bit further down, Solana. Even though the price of Solana is a lot higher, now almost $100, to double this price, it's only going to take $30 billion. And so this is why prices are misleading, and the one thing that you need to keep your eye on is the market cap. And this is also why when people say ADA is going to 100x or 150x from here, it's a completely ridiculous valuation. Because this would make it 5 to 10 times the companies like Apple or Google, which considering Cardano has not even got smart contracts live yet, as you can see, those valuations mathematically just don't make sense. So when it comes to price predictions, the actual price of the asset really doesn't mean that much. It doesn't matter if the price is $1, $100, or $100,000. It's the market cap that is everything. And as the market cap increases, economics and mathematics dictate that we will get diminishing returns. Similar to what's happening now with Dogecoin, as it takes a vast amount more money to move the actual price. And we also have to acknowledge the fact that ADA has already increased 1,500% so far this year. So the hard truth is that the biggest gains for ADA in 2021 have already happened. So factoring all this in, I would give an ADA price by the end of the year between $6 and $9, which is still up 100% or 200% from here. And think about it, in just 4 months, that is still incredible returns. And remember, this is also based on Bitcoin and the entire crypto market being in a huge bull run from here. And as a bit of a bonus finish, have you ever wondered just how much money the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, actually has? Well, in one of his recent AMAs, he mentioned that back at the peak of the last market cycle, he briefly became a billionaire. And that was when the ADA price was around $1. And so this means it's actually quite simple to work out. With an ADA price close to $3, it means his net worth will now be pushing $3 billion. So with the huge success of Cardano this year, Charles is now enjoying a billionaire status. But it gets even better for Charles Hoskinson. You see, the average yield you get from staking ADA is around 5%. So if he simply stakes his ADA, this means he's making a cool $150 million in passive income. Not bad, right? And can you imagine what this is going to be if the crypto market grows another 5 to 10 times over the next 5 to 10 years? There is going to be some serious wealth created. So when it comes to price predictions, the actual price has very little to do with the equation, and it's all about the market cap. Stock to Flow is predicting a Bitcoin price of $100,000. So if ADA could keep track, or if we add a multiple, this would give a price of between $6 and $9. We also have to factor in that Cardano has already increased 1,500% so far this year, launching Charles Hoskinson into billionaire status. And it's going to be a very exciting time for Cardano over the coming weeks and months, as their smart contract functionality is set to launch September the 12th, which has been 6 years in the making. So there you are, guys. Now you tell me, do you think I'm being too bullish, too bearish? Let me know what you think below. For now, hope you enjoyed, and just to say, if you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then click below and join us. I've got some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Okay, cheers guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.